you see people sitting around comfortably, cooperating together in one area from different continents and countries. It's all awesome. We are more flexible, we are modern, we follow the trends, and we also create the trends. I think that this event is a great opportunity to meet each other face to face. As I've told, there was a long journey before it happened, and right now I have a chance. I have a chance to listen to the hopes and goals of my future partners. I am here to find the reliable partners and also to show that we are a trustworthy university.
Collaboration and networking, it is something that really helps us grow and helps to provide more opportunities to our students. So I think that it's one of the critical moments to collaborate, to interact, to give more options to our potential students. Thank you for organizing this nice event. We really enjoyed it.
To be honest, it was a very interesting opportunity to share some information about the education, and that it created a networking time between both of us, and it also remembered us to the power of the face-to-face interaction when participating in such events.